In this video, I will show you how you can set up and use mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings and under Settings just tap on Connections. On this page, just scroll down and tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. On this page, you will find the option for Mobile Hotspot. Now just tap on it and from here just enable the toggle for Mobile Hotspot. After you do that, then just scroll down and tap on Network Name. And from here you can customize the name of the signal of your mobile hotspot. Now this is the name which appears on other devices when you enable your mobile hotspot. For example, I'll change it to Galaxy S26. Now in the password section you can change the password of your mobile hotspot. For example, I'll change it to something simple like this. And after that, if you scroll down, you will find the option to change the bandwidth of the mobile hotspot. As you can see, it is currently on 2.4 GHz, but you can change it to 5 GHz, 6 GHz. I will leave it on the default. Now after you do that, then just tap on Save to save the changes. Now if you scroll down a bit, you will find the option for one-time password. Now by using this feature, you will be able to create a one-time password for your hotspot, and the next time you turn on your mobile hotspot, this password will be reset. Now after you do that, you will set up mobile hotspot on your Samsung phone. Now to use mobile hotspot, first of all, just open the control center. And from here, just make sure that either the Wi-Fi or the mobile data is enabled, because your smartphone uses your Wi-Fi or your mobile data to share internet through the hotspot. Now after you enable either of them, then just make sure that mobile hotspot is turned on. After you do that, then on your other device, just go to Settings and under Settings just tap on Wi-Fi. And over here you will find the signal of your Samsung phone. As you can see, it is this one, the Galaxy S26. So just tap on it, and in this section just enter the password which we have created for a hotspot. After you do that, then just tap on Done, and you will connect your phone to our mobile hotspot. As you can see, one device has been connected with our Samsung phone. Now this is the first method. Another method is that you can share your mobile hotspot through the QR code. Now just tap on the QR code icon and you will create a QR code for your mobile hotspot. Now on your other phone, just open the scanner. It can either be a scanner app or the camera app. Now after you do that, then just place the QR code in the camera frame. Now once the other phone detects the mobile hotspot link, then just tap on Join. And by doing that, you will connect the other phone to the mobile hotspot. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.